Remember those little robots roaming around Tyler earlier this summer? Well, their work is done, and now the data they collected is back in the city's hands. During their 3 weeks of work, the robots surveyed nearly 95 miles of sidewalks and trails, collecting information on curb ramps, intersections, and transit stops to help identify accessibility barriers. CBS 19's Emily Trevino shows us what happens with all that information now.
For some people, something as simple as an uneven sidewalk, a hard-to-see crosswalk, or an obstacle in the way can make getting around Tyler a lot more difficult. That's where these little robots came in.
Next steps will be to bring that data to the board, and we can start discussing what it'll look like as far as the plans.
They're called DAXbots, and you may have seen them rolling around earlier this summer. They were basically sidewalk inspectors on wheels, collecting information about sidewalks, trails, intersections, and other public spaces.
It is helpful to benchmark where we are with our ADA compliance.
For many living with disabilities, their environment changing to fit their needs is a win.
Combination of those things becoming inherently accessible with the training that we provide is really when we're going to see the most success.
Alicia Lansford works with East Texas Lighthouse for the Blind, an organization that helps those with vision impairments. She hopes the city also considers smaller details like contrasting colors, different textures, and clearer signs that can help people with low vision or those using a cane.
Until we get some of that technology and until we kind of catch up with that, then our training is only as good as the environment in which our person is let loose in.
The city says the next phase of the ADA transition plan will involve the Disability Issues Review Board and community members. The goal is to identify the highest priority needs and develop a long-term plan for addressing them.
We can say we know that the projects we are working on, this is going to have the greatest benefit to our community because we have heard from them.
The updated ADA transition plan is to be adopted in early 2027. In Tyler, Emily Trevino, CBS 19.